Welcome to this presentation on assessment of the changes in precipitation and temperature in Teesta River Basin in Indian Himalayan region under climate change. This research was conducted by Ashutosh Sharma et al. And published in 14th June 2019. Today, we will explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Global temperatures are rising, a phenomenon linked to increased greenhouse gas emissions. This warming is altering weather patterns worldwide, with significant impacts on our natural systems, particularly water resources. Changes in how, when, and where precedential impacts on our natural systems, particularly water resources. Changes in how, when, and where precedential impacts on our natural systems, particularly water resources. Changes in how, when, and where precedential impacts on our natural systems, particularly water resources. Changes in how, when, and where precedential impacts on our natural systems, particularly water resources. To understand past and future climate conditions in the Teesta River Basin, researchers used historical weather data and sophisticated climate models. They analyzed daily precipitation and temperature records from 1951 to 2010 to understand past trends. For future projections, they utilized outputs from 4 different global climate models, considering 2 future greenhouse gas emission scenarios, a moderate scenario, RCP4.5, and a high-emission scenario, RCP8.5. The analysis of past climate data from 1951 to 2010 revealed some notable changes. While overall precision in the basin showed a slight decrease, there was a clear increase in both daily maximum and minimum temperatures. This warming trend was observed across most areas within the basin. The study also found significant shifts in climate extremes during this period. There was a notable decrease in cool nights and cool days, alongside an increase in warm nights and warm days. The observed and projected changes in the Teesta River Basin paint a clear picture of a warming climate with altered precipitation patterns. Decrease in snowfall and the increase in rainfall have direct implications for water resources. Snowmelt is a vital source of water in the region, particularly during drier seasons. Reduction in snowpack could lead to water scarcity for human use and impact hydropower generation. This research confirms that the Teesta River Basin in the Indian Himalayas is experiencing significant climate change. Past several decades have shown a trend of decreasing precedential precipitation, increasing temperatures, and a shift towards more warm extremes and fewer cold extremes. Projections for the 21st century indicate these trends will continue and likely intensify, with higher emissions leading to more pronounced changes.